Welcome to the Tennis Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Eitada. This is Tennis Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Sibanye 2. My brother, how's it?
How's it, my brother, Mr. Ngobo?
Good man. Hey, you've been itching to talk, eh?
Yeah.
What's your comment on the game?
No, the comment is it's about Safa referee, Mr. Ngobo.
Yeah.
Mr. Ngobo, Safa referee, they are not professional.
What went wrong tonight?
So, Mr. Ngobo, you saw the game in it. The game was moving. The movie, yeah. So the Safa referee, they need to go to the training, Mr. Ngobo. Yeah. And then especially on the 8 on the Pirates game, Mr. Ngobo, we need a VAR. I'm pleasing about with this one. It's a too big team in South Africa, so we need a VAR. Ivan Khoza and executive of SAFA. I know Johnny Jordan is not here, but executive of SAFA, please, we are pleading you. VAR. Yeah, VAR for that game. Yeah, not so way to happy.
Oh no, for every game.
For Pirates and Sundowns. That's the only big team in South Africa.
Oh yeah.
That's the only
Yeah. And then just help SAFA there. Which referee do you want them to bring?
Akhona. That lady.
Yeah. You want that lady?
That lady. Akhona. We need her to be there. She must be there for in charge.
Akhona's of Akhona. He's looking for Akhona. My brother, how's it? Good.
Sure. Uyakena libhakajuju ne. Ngithi esimele umzansi bona ngikutshela Ngobo ne. iSundowns idlalile namuhla ne. But I'm not proud of a Sundowns win. Bafana badlala kumtsipe. Bosha 2 goals kuSundowns. Bashayela ini number 1 goalkeeper yeSouth Africa bona. Nawutshela Williams ne udrop down. But I Williams kuphela Sundowns yo drop dlala khona. Mina ngifuna ukutshela mhla ka8 sobe sonke ne. Laba sobasha 10 lapha. iSundowns dlala ngakhona ne. I'm not happy. Mina iSundowns idlala kahle ngiyakutshela ukuthi idlala kahle. Manje ngiyadlala njengemswati, idlala bodlala eKaizer Chiefs. I-difference Sundowns ne-Chiefs, i-location nekora amagoli kuphela. I-Chiefs ne-Sundowns bayafeel iSundowns. Ngoba ngiyakutshela noma badlala ngakhona. I-difference kuthi akukho Shavaviro ku-Sundowns. Ngabe kunaShavaviro bebafana. Ngiyayinabela iSundowns. I wish ukuthi iSundowns singadlala nayo kusasa.
Kusa 8 uyezala, don't worry.
La mina ngibona
few days prayer.
iSundowns inkolota 6 point. Mina ngiyankolota iSundowns. Mina just ngothatha isikhathi ukudlala la. Ethunga utshele bukayi. Mina le season le ngithatha M10 ne. Ngithatha i-champion i-CAF ne. Ngiyabuya ngithatha i-Nedbank. Isandlingile. Ibethwe, yimi team eqala uthatha ibethwe. Ngina-4 ama team mina.
Officiate.
Wonke lamakhapha.
Brian,